Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 88 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our good old mates at DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to grab one of these for yourself and build along with me, head over to the DeAgostini website, clickable link in the description below, and you too can be building this beautiful 1/6 scale model. All American section there, Harley Davidson, the birth of an icon. Some good old blurbage there on the Harley Davidson motorcycles. Today we're going to be assembling the air filter and all of its bits and bobs, interior carburetor rods, things like that, and the air valves. Nice, simple, concise instructions showing you exactly step by step what you need to be doing, how it all goes together, folks. Keep an eye on these rods as well, because they're quite crucial to get them in the correct place. Okay, and that's the final result today, folks, the top of the engine with the air filter. Okay. Next up, you've got the GT Special Series there, giving you some beautiful photographs there of some of these beautiful cars. Heritage edition there of the Ford GT. Iconic Golf livery. It really does stand out, doesn't it, folks? This was the competition GT, which was lighter. Again, the beautiful Golf livery there. And then obviously you got the Carbon Series, folks. So that's the magazine sorted. So we're going to flip back and have this to one side just so that we can see what bits and pieces we're going to be up to fitting today, folks. All right, so let's grab some bits and bobs and get the screws ready and all of that. First up then, we're going to have the underside there, and we're going to be putting on these little air valves, okay, and they're going on with PS02 screws. So let's just grab a pair of those, get some oil out, and we'll get them in situ. Pink, a nice bit of oil there. Put the knife over there, Colin. And then we'll grab one of these. Now you've got your little key just there. Goes up underneath there, and then obviously the peg engages it in place as well. Okay, so that's that one in, and then we got the same with that one, just like that, and then we'll secure them in place with the PS02 screws. That then pulls that in place. And then grab the second one, a little bit of oil, and do the same with that. And that's the two air valves neatly in place, folks. Don't they look nice? Oh. Next up, we want the tubage, which is this part. And that is going in here. Just like so. Press into place. And then again, that's going to get attached with another PS02 screw. Just like so. Lovely jubbly. So that's that in. We then want to drop in, and we'll start dropping in our mesh. So let's grab that, which is just here. And this is basically getting pegged in these little slots all the way in. There's a thin channel And you could see little tiny slots just where my finger is there. The light might be shining through it. So you just want to line that tab up like so. And then start pushing all of this in this channel as you're going around, folks, okay? And then once you've done a few sections, you can then come back and bend one of the tabs over, okay? So I'm doing it piece by piece, like that. And I'm going to use my spudger just to give them a fold over nice and neatly, like that. Now I've got the first one in, I can start coming round then and doing the others, like that. And then grab the next one. Again, making sure you're getting this in the channel before you bend your tabs, folks. I'm going to come round that curve. I'm desperately trying not to put any bends in it with me fingers. So I'm just going to line that tab up and then slide this back in this groove so that we come round nice and smoothly round that corner. And then come back round like so and do the same on this side. Just like so. And then that pops straight in that slot like that and lines up perfectly. Just go around now, double checking it's all in the channel, and then we can come back now and start bending the rest of these tabs over. So we've got this one here, like that, and then I'm working my way round anti-clockwise now. Gently lining these all up. Like so. And then that leaves me that one just under that pipe now. Come back round, just engage that in the channel neatly. Bingo. Just like so. And then we can press that one in. And then go all the way along like so. So that's that done. I'm happy. Now we can put the air filter in, folks. It goes in just like so. And again, from the other side, that just helps press that in the channel. We then want to put the top cover on. So let's grab that. Get that in situ, which is that way round. And again, we're going in with a PS2 screw, folks, okay? So let's just grab that. A little bit of oil. And then we can screw that in situ. Bingo. And that is our air filter all assembled. Okay, I'm happy with that. Cool. Right, next up, we've got all of our little bracketry going in, folks, okay? So have a quick look at what we've got, which are these. So we'll have that one, that one. We got a bracket and we got a spring. So it looks like we're putting in this first one here, okay? And we'll want a DS01 screw for that. So let's grab one of those now. We'll bung a bit of oil on her. Like that. Bring in our engine half from a previous issue. And we want to orientate it that way round, folks, okay? So that this is going to sit somewhere like that. On. Okay, and then we're going in with our DS01 screw. So we'll have that in there like so. Like that. And we'll just make sure that we're not crooked. Can always adjust it at a later stage if we need to. Right, so that's that done. We then want the spring bracket with the pin going just in there. And again, we want another DS01 screw. So we'll have that in place, just like so. And then we might as well put that other screw with some oil on, because we've got the other little control rod to go in. And that is going to go just on that side there and go in that little hole as well. So let's pop that U in there, like so. And then line you up, grab the single screw and put you into place, just like so. And then we got the spring to connect then. And the spring is going to come along like so in there, and then around the way down into there, okay? So that's what we're after. So let's locate you in first, like that. And then we'll bring you in, just like so. And that is the spring in situ, folks. All right. So that now is that issue done. That's what you should end up with at the end of it, folks. Your engine and your air filter. And in there we've got, obviously, the air filter element behind the grill as well, folks, okay? So that's what we got at the end of this issue, folks. Don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these yourself and build along with me, head over to DeAgostini's website. There's a clickable link below in the description. And you too can be building this beautiful, beautiful model. Also, to help me out, if you give little Fester a click in the corner there and subscribe to the channel, helps me grow, keeps the content coming. Ring the bell whilst you're there to be notified of future content. Until then, thank you for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.